Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Greetings from Sicily. Behind me, the beautiful Massimo Opera House. It's a masterpiece and you should join us here in Sicily and enjoy this wonderful night.
Hello everyone, come with me Rosella. I understand that you are a little bit touched because it's the first time you have the opportunity to live broadcast with me since a long time.
Finally, Gianca is with me after many tours alone. Now
let me thank all the people who sent me good vibes about my surgery. My nose, I'm very well, I'm recovering very soon. Some little scares are still here, but I have to be patient. So I can be a lizard as I used to be, so I can take the sun as I used to be, but I'm okay. We are in a special location. I'm pretty sure that most of you already know where we are, because this is a must in our tours. And we are in front of the Massimo Opera House. But the most important thing, would you like to say where we are?
We are in a beautiful historical palace named Palazzo Francavilla. And we are enjoying our special dinner because if you don't know yet, our Sicily Lovers Tour, our small group tour, has begun yesterday, just yesterday. And so we are enjoying a wonderful dinner with our Sicily lovers.
So this is a palace, an historical palace in the heart of Palermo. It dates back to the late 700, full of treasure. It's a bit like a museum. So our friends, our special clients had the opportunity to visit the palace, and now they are enjoying the dinner. We are enjoying the dinner. We just, how do you say, take a break to give you some news about us. We are very, very fine. And I would like to say something about the tour. This is the first edition in 2023. We are expecting a second edition in September.
But
of course, they are already sold out, and we are feeling the 2024 editions. So be careful because the May.
Switch on me.
I switch on you. I switch on you. Sorry, guys. Sorry because I'm in the shade. Oh yes. So this is the 2024 schedule. We have 3 editions: May, June, and September. There is a little light, a little glare. Okay, don't move. And I have to inform you that the editions of May and September are still, are almost sold out. We have still 2 and 4 available spots. The edition in June has some more spots, but be careful because 2 of the 3 editions are already full, are already sold out.
If you want to join us, just visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and join one of the 3 editions.
And you will have the opportunity to enjoy something spectacular, something unique, like the one our Sicily lovers are enjoying right now. Let me show what they are enjoying. Oh my God!
Follow me. They don't know that we are live. This is a surprise. We finish a full dinner. We have the starter, we have the eggplant balls, then we had the annelletti al forno, our typical ring-shaped pasta, and then we have a pork with a tasty pistachio cream on top with vegetables, and now we are waiting for the dessert. So let me say then that we are live. So, would like to say to your parents, your families, your relatives that you are fine? We are live. Say hello. So let's start quickly from here. We have Joanna. I call in Italiano because we are in Italy, so we have Giovanna.
Sorry.
We have Ray. Then we have
Nancy.
David, Nancy.
Ciao, David.
Michelle.
Mark.
Then we have Mark.
Emily.
Emily, the beautiful Emily. She's beautiful. She's a model.
She's the perfect testimonial, we can say.
Then we have Sandra. And then in Italiano,
Davide.
David. David. And then we have Stephanie. Then we have Anna.
And
Arturo. And then we have Eugenio.
Eugene.
And we have Bob, am I right?
Roberto. Bobby.
And three beautiful ladies.
They're all related.
Janice, Roseanne, and Gloria.
Yeah. Giorgio. George.
And another Bob.
Another Roberto. Don Roberto.
And then we have Susan.
No, Sharon.
So too much wine. Okay, but Sharon, Susan is more or less
With the S.
And then we have Isabella.
Yes. And Lawrence, Larry. Ciao, Larry. So
they are fine. You can say hello.
Let me say that even if they have Italian name, they are all Americans.
All Americans, but the most of them have a Sicilian origin.
Yes.
We have, for example, Gangi and Caltanissetta. Then we have Ragusa.
Yes.
Then we have Marettimo e San Vito Lo Capo, and then we have Isnello, and then we have Petralia Soprana, and Santa Caterina di Villarmosa, Polizzi Generosa. And one of them,
Campobasso.
Italian.
Not in Sicily, but the DNA is the same.
Italian. And the most important thing is that we are very lucky, Gianca and I, because they are beautiful. They met each other just yesterday, but they are already family, a beautiful family of Sicily Lovers.
Yes.
So this is the power. Now it's time to toast and say hello, goodbye to our friends, right? So where is my glass? Do you remember the Sicilian way? Oh, come on, guys, it's the third time, come on.
They started.
Okay, follow me.
They already started.
Okay, so, Aisa. Cala. Accosta. A saluti vostra! Bravi! And now, this is the way I close each live broadcast. Come on, guys. Do you remember?
They know.
Bravi. They know. So, all together. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily!
Bravi!
Ciao!
Very good. Ciao.